iPhone 4 battery repair. Warning: this repair will void your warranty. You are performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur. On a level scale, this is an easy repair, and it will take about 3 minutes to complete. To perform this repair, you will need 5-point pentalobe screwdriver. If your iPhone 4 has pentalobe bottom screws, 00 Phillips screwdriver, spudger, metal pry tool, tweezers. Optional, we recommend using Magmat for all your repair needs. To see Magmat in action, see our Magmat video. All these products and tools can be purchased at iPhoneRepairMiamiBeach.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter. Turn off your iPhone. Remove the 2 bottom screws next to the dock connector. Push the rear panel toward the top of the iPhone and remove the rear panel. Remove the Phillips screw, securing the battery to the motherboard. Disconnect the battery and make sure not to lose a small contact. Insert metal pry tool on the right side of the battery and remove the battery. To reassemble your device, follow the steps in reverse order.